Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to do a quick unboxing video for you to share what came in this box today for me by UPS. This is the virtual retreat kit box for the Crafting at the General Store virtual retreat with Country Craft Creations that's going to be held July the 15th, 16th, and 17th of 2022. This is sold out. You cannot order a kit now. I'm sorry. It has been sold out for quite a while. But good news is there's going to be another virtual retreat by Country Craft Creations for the holiday. So you'll want to be checking out for that on their website. I don't know when they'll be announcing it, but it should be pretty soon, I'm thinking. So if you're a member of Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations on Facebook, you'll see that notification, or you'll also can see it on their website, store website, and I'll share the link below and here going across the screen. Anyway, this is the box. I haven't opened it yet. This has all the kits for the projects that we will be doing during this retreat. And again, it is sold out, so you can't order one now, but this is what everyone's receiving that signed up for this virtual retreat. So I've got my knife here. Let's cut open the tape and take a peek inside this box. Can't wait to see all the different kits. And I did design one of the projects for this virtual retreat. I'm excited for those who have signed up for it to see it. Oh, look, I'm going to take everything out. Take a peek at it all. It's just jam-packed full. And I'm going to move the box out of the way so we can take a look. I'm sorry about the glare. There's plastic protecting everything. So this looks like the basic kit bag. And oh, I love this. We got a bag to store stuff in. Awesome, with a zipper. So when we open this, so this is what you can expect, the type of things you can expect to get in your kit box if you sign up for the next virtual retreat, which is for the holiday. So it's something, if you haven't done one yet, you don't want to miss out. And if you've done them before, you know you don't want to miss out either. So let's take out this bag of goodies. So these are items that you will use on all of your projects by the different designers. I used some of the ribbon, but I didn't use everything. So we have here, I love this bag. This is going to be handy. So we have a bottle of Deco Art acrylic paint. Looks like a snow titanium white color. I'm going to get my bag. I'm going to put everything back in the bag so I don't lose anything. We got a 49 Market lacy trims package. We got some foam squares to use. We got these little birdie handmade flowers. We got this little packet here with your jute string and your little buttons. And then we also got this pack of, oh, that goes in another kit. So that's what's in the main for all the kits. And then this is the welcome. It tells you what's inside your red zipper bag. Okay, and keep everything together, of course. And then also from this red zipper bag, it's real important, you get a sheet of acetate. Stick that back in there. And then you get the packet with all the cutting list and pictures of all of the projects. I'm not going to open that up, but that's real important. It goes with all the kits. Now then, for the kits, this one here is Simple Stories. I think it's Simply Summer. I don't want to open it all up. It's got the little shaker bits. It's a camera, a Mente Chippy's album base. Cute. You got your chipboard. You got your little domed acetate. Let me see here. I just don't want to lose everything. This is awesome. We're going to be making one of these. And we have the, that's your little dome for your camera and your little shaker bits. You get a 6x8 paper pad. There's my knife. Cut that open and take a quick peek. So best summer ever. So it's just beautiful, colorful summer papers. And the 6x8. And then I knew I could see the chipboard stickers. And then you get the Summer Lovin' 6 papers in these gingham colors. So we have these. It's all Summer Lovin'. So I don't know what I said at first. Yeah, Summer Lovin' is the collection here. So we're going to pull that back in. I don't want to lose any of that and keep it sealed. So if you've got your kit and you're opening it up, make sure you keep everything together. Don't move anything around that you don't want to lose, because you can't replace it. So this one, let's open it up. The reason I'm not showing you the project sheets is because these are exclusive to those who signed up for this retreat. So it's real important that they stay exclusive. They will not be available anywhere. We got some blue felt here. This is Farmhouse Summer by Cartabella. You can see all the different papers there. And I'm not taking this out because I can see that all your chipboard is cut here for you. And you got a bag of some seam binding ribbon in here. So this is going to be another fun project. So I'm going to stick this back in there so we don't lose our felt. I think the paint goes with this one. I'm not positive, but I think it does. Okay, I know it doesn't go with this one because this is my project that I designed. And this is the general store project. Open it up real quick. So this is an exclusive Country Craft Creations paper called the General Store. And you get, in this kit, you get the pre-cut tags, you get a pre-cut window frame, you get these individual 8x8 papers. There's a reason for that. Then you get the light, let's see, you're going to get 2 sheets of My Colors cardstock. This green and the red. And then we get the 12x12 papers. You get your tags here with this on the back. And you get 2 sheets, I believe, of each of this collection. So it's really awesome collection. I had so much fun creating with this. I hope everybody likes the project that I made. So this is very vintagey, general store looking project. And the papers are just awesome. So you're going to like that. And of course, the lightweight chipboard to make your project. And these are easy for you to cut yourself. And you get 2 sheets of that. And then, of course, in mine, you get this bag of, you get the seam binding ribbon to go with it. So I'm going to rebag all that because we don't want to lose it. Well, maybe I'll bag it off camera here. This is a little harder to bag. Okay, I'll do that off camera. I'll lay all this together. I'll make sure and not lose anything. And then this kit here is your, I think, is this exclusive to Country Craft Creations? Let me look. I think so. This is the Americana. So this one we get the straws. We get a bag of seam binding ribbon. We get a little pre-cut tag, looks like a closure thing, and some of those clear flat back bubble looking things. I can't think what you call them. And then the paper. Take this out so we don't tear anything. So you get 2 sheets of each. Yes, this is Country Craft Creations. Look at all that. Isn't that awesome? You're going to love working with this one. Love this. So pretty. The flag. A little bit of baseball going on here. Lots of paper here to work with. Big collection. What else we got? Then you have your lightweight chipboard for this one. There's looks like 3 sheets. Some my colors in chamois, and then an 8.5 by 11 in the Imperial Red. So that is the kit for that project. Can't wait to see what we're going to be making with that. I know it's going to be fun. So I'm going to put these little items back in the bag, and then I'll get the paper in later. Don't want to lose anything, so I can make my project during the retreat. And then this is another fun one. This is a Mente paper. This is called Apple Season. And so let's take a look at this. Okay. So the chipboard is pre-cut for you on this. It looks like it's probably going to be an album. And you get the 6x6 in this paper collection. Take a look at these beautiful colors and papers. Awesome. So exciting. Then you get the red gingham ribbon for that. And we get a sheet of the cardboard stickers. There's just one there. Well, those are really thick, aren't they? Yeah, they're cardboard stickers. Awesome. I've never worked with those before. And then you get the My Colors. You get the Desert Cactus. Glacier Blue. And then this red Firecracker. So there's those. So that's that kit. So that is the kit contents for the Crafting at the General Store virtual retreat. As I said, it's already sold out. Kits have been shipped to everyone that signed up for it in advance. It is a virtual retreat put on by Country Craft Creations. Different designers design the projects, and the kits are all put together. So that's why it has a closing date for registering, paying for your kit. So there will be another one. If you missed out on this one, don't despair. We will have another one for the holiday. So those dates will be announced, and the sign-up will be announced, and the cost and everything. So thanks so much for watching. I can't wait until it's time for this retreat. But I have a lot of fun, so I'm going to get everything put back together so I don't lose anything. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.